No matter how your views are on YouTube, you are definitely going to make something. Don't let your views discourage you. You might be having less views and making more money, and you might be having plenty views and making small money. That is how the YouTube algorithm works, depending on the kind of content you're putting out, how many people are willing to pay, which is how many advertisers are willing to pay for that particular video. Now, let's take, for example, this particular video. So I'm going to be dropping a screen record here like this. This particular video that has gotten 1.5k view, okay, which is a video I did how to get 10,000 followers on Facebook in this 2026. If I click on it, you can see that this video has literally made $3.51 for a video of 1.5k view. Now, if you check how much advertisers are paying, once you go to the revenue part of this video, you'll find out that advertisers are paying $4.57, and YouTube is paying me per 1,000 views $2.35. Okay, so that's for this video. So if I move to the next video now, that is here, that has 375 views, you guys can see that this video has 375 views. If I click on it right now, let's check how much YouTube actually paid that particular content. So let's move to revenue straight without wasting time. If I move to revenue straight, this video has earned 0.72 cents. 0.72 cents. Advertisers are paying $2.97, while YouTube is paying me $2.06. So because the video has not gotten 1,000 views, but the video got 375 views, and of which one YouTube calculator is 321, I was still able to get $0.72. Now let's move to the next particular video I want to show you guys, because I want to say something at the end of this video. This video has 742. Now for the video of 742, if we click, let's check how much YouTube literally paid this particular video of 742. Just accumulating by himself. Okay, this video has earned $1.19. $1.19, where advertisers are paying $3.19, and YouTube is paying me $1.82. Why the one that YouTube have calculated and they have paid, which is the view that they have paid for, is 558 views. So for 558 views, I was able to make $1. Now let's look at another video here before I show you guys the last video, which is this particular one that has 1k view on YouTube, where I talked about YouTube monetization and the rest of that. Now let's click up on this video and let's go straight to the revenue. If you check, this video has made $1.76. So you can see that this video is approximately dragging shoulder with the video of just 500 and something views, and this is a video of 1k view, $1.76. This is me just being honest with you guys before I get into what I want to say. Now this video have 2.9k view, so let's click on the one that has 2.9k view. I'm using my recent video, okay, so just know that what I'm doing right now is my recent video that I'm using. So for the video of 2.9k view, this video has made $4.36, and of which advertisers are paying $3. Why the revenue that YouTube is paying me per 1k view is $1.48. So let's just stop here. Okay, now the reason why I am literally bringing this out for you that is actually watching is to tell you that you don't need to ignore any views that your channel is getting. You don't need to ignore any views at all. It is not the amount of views that a particular video accumulates that will make the person earn bigger than you or smaller than you. Everybody is praying for views, because the truth is, if you get the highest visibility on YouTube, you are literally going to enjoy YouTube currency massively. When my videos were not getting any strike, when my videos were blowing up east, west, north, and south, I know how much I've been able to get from YouTube personally. And these videos I showed you guys are videos that I just uploaded from last week to this week. So I have videos on my channel that are still doing massively well, apart from this video that I showed you guys. And even as I'm talking to you guys, I have literally met my threshold of YouTube payments. Do you get? So what am I trying to say? YouTube is an investment. Okay? How much YouTube pay you is not the problem. Look at it as a long time thing and know exactly what you need to bring down here. That is why I keep telling you, do not ever discourage yourself. The greatest mistake you will do is abandoning YouTube. In less than 1K, 2K, 3,000 views, this is how much YouTube paid me. This is how much YouTube paid me. So let's just say within a spike of just this week, if I've not made anything, at least I've made up to $10 on YouTube. Or let me not even exaggerate too much, I've made up to $6 on YouTube. And of which I can tell you that other platforms can give you, but they cannot give you this as fast as YouTube. That's one. Even the job you are doing, a lot of you people cannot even make $10 within. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Then apart from that, I have other channels, right? So revenue is coming from like different angles as well. So if you're still there, you're doubting YouTube. If you're still there, you're snoozing. If you're still there and you are done everything possible and you think that the only thing you need to do right now is to give up, I will advise you not to give up. If I'm not giving up, you should not give up. If I can make it here on YouTube, you can make it here on YouTube. If the video I did that got over 700,000 views now, if I show you guys how much I've made from that video, a lot of people are going to be wowed. So no matter what you do, still keep your consistency pushing. You have seen a lot of people share their revenue with you. You have seen a lot of people showing you how much they literally make. These people are not lying. These people are not lying. Okay? And I hope this video is able to help anyone out there. So if you're still looking for 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, vibe to vibe in the comment section. And apart from vibe to vibe as well, check out other of our videos that we have where we have literally talked about how you can legitimately, genuinely get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. I want to say a very big thank you to every single one of you watching, liking, commenting, and also sharing my videos. I do not take you guys for granted. I want to say a very big thank you to every single one of you as well that's joined my live stream yesterday. God bless you for the gift and every single thing. I really do appreciate. If you have not subscribed and you're just coming across my channel, my name is Sonia, and on this channel I try my possible best to hold you hand by hand, help you make money on YouTube and other social media platforms. And yes guys, with that being said, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos, I'm going to be saying bye and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah.